I feel horrible. I feel pretty horrible. What's up, folks? It's your dude J Biv, John from John Branch Photography, whatever you want to call me. And yeah, I feel horrible. So today I'm gonna give you a couple tips to help you deal with what we all know as the wedding hangover. With digital contracts, e-signing, online payments, and automation, HoneyBook is the perfect tool to help you quickly and confidently book more clients. Use the link in the description below for 50% off your HoneyBook subscription. So, I had a double-header wedding this weekend, so I had a Saturday and a Sunday back-to-back, and I was traveling between New York, and I'm like totally beasted right now. I feel horrible, starting to run a fever, and it's just the worst. And this is pretty typical when you have a lot of stuff back-to-back. I actually have an engagement session tomorrow too, so I really need to get back to feeling better. So let's go over what I usually do after I deal with wedding hangover. Starting with what I would say is the most important, which is your liquids. Obviously, you need to drink lots and lots of water. Get all your liquids in, get your tea in. So the way I like to do this is I have this awesome big A water jug. It's just, I can't even, 12 ounces? I don't know. Drink a couple of these and it's literally like a gallon. So yeah, I just go on this all day. It's nice too because then you don't have to deal with like running back to get another cup and another cup. You just fill this thing all the way up and kind of go in on it all day. The second thing is I'm usually dealing with teas all day. So I like some honey, some lemon, maybe some ginger, mix that up and make a tea out of it. And the absolute best way to do this is to use the Ember Mug. I love this. Look at how beautiful this thing is. So I got this about a year ago, and it's a powered mug basically. It charges on its own little saucer, which is really cool, and it keeps your drink hot. So if you're like me and you take forever to drink your stuff, you just have it here and you can take your time, because when you're sick, you're not trying to drink mad fast anyway. Nice and warm. But yeah, so that's the first thing. Is just get your liquids in, get as many liquids as you can, drink lots of water. I know it sucks having to pee all the time sometimes, but liquids is the absolute number one thing that you need. Second up, I would say your medicines. Now, I tend to do more holistic type medicine stuff. So natural stuff, not really just your NyQuils and stuff. I'll do that if I need to, like a Dayquil or something if I'm just absolutely dying. But what I like to do while I'm at home is two different things. So first off, got this nice homemade elderberry sauce, which my lovely wife made for me. Elderberry supposedly is really good for you as far as like a medicine. It's always been a natural medicine, like from way back in the day. And you can basically buy this stuff online, buy it on Etsy or something. I'll definitely put a link in the description for it, because this stuff is magical. I take it every day, twice a day. Next up, to help me relax and to help with my muscles, because usually after a wedding day and you're carrying your cameras, you're like all sore and your feet are sore and your hands are sore. I call it photographer hand because you've been gripping the camera all day and it just hurts. So I got this naturally calm stuff. So this basically is magnesium. They call it an anti-stress drink, and it's just nice. Mix it in with some water, mix it in with your tea, and it'll really just calm your muscles, help you calm down, just relax you overall. But keep in mind, when it relaxes you, it definitely relaxes you, and you will find yourself with the runs in the bathroom. So don't take too much, or don't take it on a day where you have to go out and do things, because you will be running to the bathroom. Straight up liquid. And last but not least is just relax. I like to put on a candle, get some Epsom salts, and run myself a bath. I got this lovely Epsom salt right here. Look at that. Put a couple scoops in your bath and just complete your relaxation. Yeah, because that'll help out with your muscles again. So that naturally calm stuff, and sitting in a tub for a while just relaxes you. Close your eyes and just drink some water and just chill. So yeah, those are my tips for getting over the wedding hangover, which is absolutely the worst Hopefully I'll get better soon. But as you can see, I'm not doing too well. But that's what we go through. If you ever wonder what photographers go through, so that's what it is. All the items you saw today are in the descriptions. Grab you some, especially that naturally calm stuff. It's amazing. And the elderberry. The elderberry is a must, like straight up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information for photographers, creative entrepreneurs, other business related stuff and business related apps. And hopefully next time I'm on, I'll feel much better. Thanks, y'all. Peace.